We celebrate Teachers' Day on the occasion of the birthday celebration of our great leader and former President of India, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers' Day is celebrated with the hope that teacher of India take the profession in a very right spirit, and it is the greatest profession to my mind, and which should create all other professions. So let us feel proud on this joyous occasion. My best wishes to all of you, and hope you achieve greater personal and professional growths in the years to come. I request the teachers to be very honest, sincere, and look after their students so that they can shine in their life. Thank you.
घिंतांग मादल बजदा नच नच लाचा के न होला अनायसे हंस हंस लाचा घिंतांग मादल बजदा नच नच लाचा के न होला अनायसे हंस हंस लाचा पूर्णिमा को जुनले पनि जिसके ओछा मलाई काऊ कुते लगाऊ छ बतासैले मलाई मत गाउँ की गोरी रे
Auspicious day, I take this opportunity to congratulate faculty colleagues of Assam Downtown University for their devotion in teaching profession. This special day is the birthday of Bharat Ratna Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who is an internationally acclaimed teacher, whether he was an internationally acclaimed teacher, and the second President of India, who had a wish that this day is celebrated for the contribution of teachers to society as a Teachers' Day. I convey best wishes to each and every teachers of the university and pray Almighty to give you strength to serve the cause of teaching, research with utmost dedication and compassion. Thank you.
रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे क्यों सोचना जाना जाए सबरियां बेसबरियां 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 एहसास है जागे रे तेरी धुंधले खजाना ये तश्नगानी है ये प्यास है क्यों रोकना अब ये कारवां चाहे वही ले जाए जहां सबरियां बेसब्रियां बेसब्रियां
On the occasion of Teachers' Day, let me greet the entire teaching fraternity of our nation, including the distinguished teachers of Assam Downtown University. It is pertinent that the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is celebrated as Teachers' Day, the noted scholar who almost single-handedly took the Indian scholarship to a truly international audience. In a similar fashion, we believe that our teachers too would dedicate themselves towards attaining excellence in teaching research and in outreach programs. And we also believe that with such excellences would bring to our nation, to our world, to our civilization, newer heights of newer pinnacles of achievement. In anticipation of such vision and in recognition of the sacrifices, I bow down to the entire teaching community.
কুলিৰ এই ছবিখন সপোনৰ মিঠা ইন্ধন পাহাৰ বাটৰ নামনি সুগভীৰ সৰল বননি হাঁহনে নেহাঁহকৈ ওলমি ৰয় সপোনৰ মিঠা ইন্ধন কুলিৰ এই ছবিখন সপোনৰ মিঠা ইন্ধন বহুবাৰ আহি আহি নিজকে হেৰুৱাই লাগে কিয় ভাল স্মৃতিৰ আমনি ঘন কুলিয়ে তৰে মায়া জাল বহুবাৰ আহি আহি নিজকে হেৰুৱাই লাগে কিয় ভাল স্মৃতিৰ আমনি ঘন কুলিয়ে তৰে মায়া জাল অধৰত খেলি যায় লুকাই লুকাই কম্পন কুলিৰ এই ছবিখন সপোনৰ মিঠা ইন্ধন ছয়াময়া কুলিৰ প্ৰথম তোমাৰ মোৰ চিনাকি মনত পৰে নেকি শীতৰ সন্ধিয়া এটি সুধা দিছিল আজি বুকুত সিঁচি ছয়াময়া কুলিৰ প্ৰথম তোমাৰ মোৰ চিনাকি মনত পৰে নেকি শীতৰ সন্ধিয়া এটি সুধা দিছিল আজি বুকুত সিঁচি পৰিছিল তেতিয়াৰ উপহি জোনাকৰ এটি মিঠা কোমল ছায়া কুলিৰ এই ছবিখন সপোনৰ মিঠা ইন্ধন পাহাৰ বাটৰ নামনি সুগভীৰ সৰল বননি হাঁহনে নেহাঁহকৈ ওলমি ৰয় সপোনৰ মিঠা
Good morning to all of you. Today is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the President of India, and he was a renowned teacher and philosopher. On his birthday, whole nation is celebrating Teachers' Day. So, I would like to offer my gratitude and respect on his memory. Today, from Assam Downtown University as a Dean of Studies, I show my full respect to him, and I request all the teachers to try to be a good teacher and do something good for the betterment of the society. Let me conclude my speech with few lines of Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namo. Without Guru, there is no education. That's why in earlier days also, children were sent to Guru's house. They were given training in Guru's house, and Guru Matas were considered as their mother, and they look after them as their own children. After that, institution has come up, and children have been sent to the institution for giving education. So, with these few lines, I would like to conclude my speech, and let me pray for the good health and prosperous life of all teachers of the nation. Thank you.
Gama